Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you beautiful patchwork baskets craft ideas. I will share you. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, denim patchwork basket. Let's make a basket using all jeans cut denim into small pieces. Stitch them together, make a thin fabric layer, add lining inside. Now shape it into a basket. Stitch the sides properly. Add handles using denim strip. Your strong denim basket is ready. Perfect for daily use. Mini patchwork basket. Today we will make a mini patchwork basket. Take small fabric pieces, join them together, cut into a small circle for base. Make small sides wall. Stitch everything carefully. Add a tiny handles. Your cute mini basket is ready. Perfect for gifts or decoration. Patchwork raw basket and friends, take a long strip of fabric, strip around it. Now fold the rope in a circle. Use glue or stitch to fix it. Keep building the side slowly. Give it a basket shape. Your stylish raw basket is ready. So modern and unique. So friends, next idea is papers.